बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल ऑल टू लर्न। इस वीडियो में हम आज 300 इम्पोर्टेंट सॉल्व जर्नल नॉलेज एमसीक्यूज़ फॉर पीपीएससी टेस्ट करेंगे। जो क्वेश्चन है ये बहुत ज़्यादा रिपीट होते हैं पीपीएससी के टेस्ट में। जनरल नॉलेज के सेक्शन में अभी आपके आने वाले हैं लेक्चरर के टेस्ट, उनमें ये काम आएंगे। वैसे भी पीपीएससी की तरफ से या एफपीएससी की तरफ से क्वेश्चन आते हैं, जो टेस्ट होते हैं उनमें ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट होते हैं। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। उससे पहले मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। द रिवर डेन्यूबी राइजेज इन विच कंट्री? जर्मनी। विच यूएस स्टेट हैज़ द शुगर मैपल एज इट स्टेट ट्री एंड इज द लीडिंग यूएस प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ मैपल शुगर? वर्मोंट। विच country is nicknamed the cockpit of Europe because of the number of battles throughout history fought in it? Belgium. What is the capital of Libya? Tripoli. Apart from French, German and Romance, what is the fourth official language of Switzerland? Italian. Which country is the world's largest producer of coffee? Brazil. In which city was the world's first underground train was service open in 1863? London. How many pairs of ribs are there in the human body? 12. Which country is separated from Ethiopia by the Red Sea? Yemen. What is the main port of Italy? Genoa. Mount Logan is the highest peak in which country? Canada. In which state is Harvard University? New Jersey. And question number 13 is which is the larger, Norway or Finland? तो फिनलैंड ज़्यादा बड़ा है। Which city was the first capital of the Kingdom of Italy until 1865? Turin. What is measured by ammeter electric current? What is the rhinoceros horn made of? Hair. Which three countries apart from former Yugoslavia share border with Greece? Albania, Bulgaria, and Turkey. The Park Street separate which two countries? India and Sri Lanka. Ga is the symbol of for which element? Gallium. In the Greek alphabet, what is the name of the letter O? Omicron. Omicron. What in the 16th and 17th century was Pavana? A dance. A nephron is the functional unit of which organ in the human body? Kidney. In which country is the insert city of Tarsus? Turkey. The Khyber Pass link which two countries? Afghanistan and Pakistan. Question number 25 है name the 6 US state that comprise New England, Rhode Island, Connecticut, Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont and Massachusetts. बहुत मुश्किल प्रोनाउंसिएशन है। Which muscle instrument is played by both exhaling and inhaling? Harmonica or mouth organ. The northern part of which country is called Osling, Luxembourg. Napier is a city in which country? New Zealand. What is the Hook of Holland? A port in the southeast Netherlands. The river Douro form part of the border between which two countries? Spain and Portugal. And which country is the Great Slave Lake? Canada. Which 6 countries border the Black Sea? Bulgaria, Georgia, Romania, Russia, Turkey and Ukraine. Kathmandu is the capital of which country? Nepal. What name is given to mixture of bicarbonate of soda and tartaric acid used in cooking? Baking powder. AOL are in the internet service provider. What does AOL stand for? America Online. Who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming. Which English queen had an extra finger on her hand? Anne Boleyn. Which precious metal has the symbol Pt? Platinum. And the Gobi Desert extend over which two countries? China and Mongolia. Apart from America, which is the only country in the world to which alligators are native? China. Which are the highest type of clouds? Stratocumulus or cirrus. Which ancient measure of length was based on the length of arm from fingertip to elbow? Cubit. After World War I, Transylvania became part of which country? Romania. Which sea in northern Europe is bounded by several countries, including Sweden, Finland, Poland, and Germany. The Baltic Round Tunnel runs from Pellerins in France to Interviz in Italy, under which mountain Mount Balanak. The Barents Sea is part of which ocean Arctic? Which two countries are either side of the mouth of River Plate? Argentina and Uruguay. Quicklime is an alkaline powder obtained by strongly heating which other material chalk. What is the longest river slowly in England? Thames. The Great Barrier Reef of coast of which Australian state? क्वींसलैंड. तो ये थे 50 क्वेश्चन. आगे भी करते हैं हम. ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये अक्सर बीपीएससी के एग्जाम में रिपीट होते हैं. व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ मिल्की फ्लूइड obtained फ्रॉम trees which is used to produce rubber latex? Of what is entomology? The study insects. Of where is Amman the capital? Jordan. How many innings are there in for each team in a game of baseball? 9. Which is the only mammal with the power of active flight? Bat. Which lower level of clouds are commonly called rain cloud? Nimbus. What is the longest river in India? Ganges. पनी जेंग्स क्या नाम है इसका. Which metallic element has the property of catching fire of dropping in hot water? Sodium. Which month of year obtain its name from the Latin verb for to open? April. On what river does Rome stand? Tiber. Qantas is the national airline of which country? Australia. What in Scotland is the meaning of prefix in a river mouth? Which US state has the lowest population? Alaska. Which country is nicknamed the Garden of England? Net. Which African country was formerly called French Sudan? Mali. Which sport was originally called saucer in water? Water polo. Which unit of measurement is derived from Arabic quaret meaning seed? Carat. Which Italian city was originally built on Seven Hills? Rome. What does the acronym NAFI stand for? Navy, Army and Air Force Institute. Dolomite is an ore of which metal? Magnesium. Manama is the capital of which country? Bahrain. On which river does Brilliant stand? River Spree. What type of clock was invented in 1656 by Christian Huygens? The pendulum clock. In which desert is the world driest place? Atacama, Chile. Which is the world satellite sea? The Red Sea. The Baltic Sea. And which is the least salty? Which nun won the Nobel Prize for Peace in 1979? Mother Teresa. How many points in the pink ball worth in snooker? 6. Question number 79 है. Which scientist was named Person of Century by Time magazine? Albert Einstein. What kind of creature is a monitor? Lizard. Which medical specialty is concerned with the problem of illness of children? Pediatrics. Who sailed in Santa Maria? Christopher Columbus. What name is given to stiffing of the body after death? Roger Moritz. Which country was formerly known as Malagasy Republic? Madagascar. Addis Ababa is the capital of which country? Ethiopia. The name of which North African city literally mean White House? Casablanca. Of what sort of fish is the dogfish? A small variety. Shark. Which Asian country was divided at the 28th parallel after World War II? Korea. What is the name of Winter Olympics event that combine cross-country skiing and shooting? Biathlon. Which American science fiction writer wrote Fahrenheit 451? Ray Bradbury. For which power opiate is diamorphine? The technical name heroin. How many dominas are there in normal set? 28. Who was cartoonist who created Batman? Bob Kane. Aerophobia is the fear of flying. Agoraphobia is the fear of open sea. पीछे हो गया, रुक जा. What is the acrophobia of fear of heights? Aerophobia, fear of flying. Agoraphobia, fear of open space. And acrophobia, fear of heights. In computing, how is modulator, demodulator, more commonly known modem, and auger bit is used to drill what type of material? Wood. What part of a wheelbarrow is the fulcrum, the wheel? What C is the advice used to determine small length of which vernier is one type caliper? Rip, chain and bend are type of which tool? Saw. What calibrated tool was the standard tool of engineers and scientists prior to invention of the handheld calculator slide rule? 100 क्वेश्चन हो गए। ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये बहुत अहम क्वेश्चन है। अगर आप ये तैयारी कर लें तो आप जनरल नॉलेज की तरफ से बिल्कुल बेफिक्र हो जाएंगे। आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा कि जनरल नॉलेज किस किस्म का आ सकता है। आप आगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 101 से शुरू करते हैं। थोड़ी सी प्रोनाउंसिएशन में मेरी मिस्टेक है, लेकिन आप अगर आपको प्रोनाउंसिएशन ठीक आती है तो आप रीड करके भी क्वेश्चन को समझ सकते हैं अगर मैं गलत कर रही हूँ तो। वर्ड पी इज दी समटाइम रेफर टू इज अ ब्लॉक एंड टैकल पुली। फॉर वट पर्पज वुड अ gardener use a dibber making holes? What J is the advice used to raise an object too heavy to deal with the hand? Jack, ball pen, club, claw, and bush are type of which tool? Hammer. Which African animal name means river horse? Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Which Indian religion was founded by Guru Nanak? Sikhism. What is the most distant of the gained planet? Neptune. What is the capital of Austria? Vienna. What is printing to? The letter UC stand for uppercase. Which eye infection is sometimes called pink eye conjunctivitis? What sort of creature is an iguana? A lizard. What politically does UDI stand for? Unilateral Declaration of Independence. Wagga Wagga is city of which Australian state? New South Wales. Which Indian religion celebrated 300th anniversary of its founding in 1999? Sikhism. What was the initial FBI stand for? Federal Bureau of Investigation. Federal Bureau of Investigation by what name the fruit of plant Anas comosus noun? Pineapple. Donor stage is German for which day of the week? Thursday. What type of citrus food is a Shemoti orange? Epiphobia is the fear of what? Bees. Which Asian capital city was known as Batavia until 1949? Jakarta. Which astronomical unit OS distance is greater, a parsec or a light year? A parsec. The ancient city of Carthage is now in which country? Tunisia. What is Russia? Russia is Vista, a newspaper which is the world's widest continent, Antarctica, in the book Treasure Island. What is the name of ship? Hispaniola. In which part of body are the deltoid muscles? Shoulder. E is the international car registration letter for which country? Spain. Vienna stand on which river? Danube. What type of camel has two lumps bacterium in the MG motor car? What do the letter MG stand for? Mirror. Garage. The name of which Roman god means shining father in Latin? Jupiter. What is the central color of rainbow? Green. Which French city is the meeting place of the European Parliament? Strasbourg. What part of the body consists of duodenum, the genome, and the ileum, small intestine? Annapurna is the mountain in which mountain range? Himalayas. What kind of food stuff in Monterey Jack was also cartoon name? What for the breakfast? What is the name of a person, planet, or animal which shuns the light? Lucifungus. What in the field of optic is boconvex? A lens which is concave or both sides. Which country was invaded in Iraq in 1980? Iran. What did John Gally discover 1846? Neptune. What is an internet terminology? Does SMTP stand for? Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. How is October 24, 1929 remembered? Black Thursday. October 24, 1929, Black Thursday. The river Danube flow into which sees the Black Sea. Which states separate the North and South Island of New Zealand? Cook Strait. What is international terminology? Does FTP stand for? File Transfer Protocol. Who wrote Black Beauty? Anna Sewell. What is the capital of Poland? Warsaw. The ice cream was first produced in which country in the 17th century? Italy. In medicine, what does the acronym SARS stand for? Several acuity respiratory system. Which popular name of Netherlands is actually a low lying region of country? Holland. तो ये अब हो गए हमारे पास 200 क्वेश्चन. बीच में कोई स्किप तो नहीं हुआ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 201. विच शेक्सपियर प्ले एज सेट इन Snorri Castle, Denmark? Hamlet. Who said genius is 1% inspiration and 9% perspiration? Edson. The Kaiko Island chain lie between which two countries, Japan and Taiwan? Which fibrous protein is the major constituent of hair, nail, feather, beaks and claws? Keratin. Which fruit is Morello? Is variety cherry? Which explorer discovered Victory's Falls in Africa? David Livingstone. Who was the last king of Egypt? Farouk. What is the literal meaning of the word mafia? Barging. Which was lasted 16 years longer than the name implies, the 100-Year War? What is the national sport of Malaysia and Indonesia? Badminton. Which is the shallowest of the Great Lake Arai? What name is given to minute or microscopic animal and planet that live in the upper layer of fresh and saltwater plankton? Which country was originally named Cathay? China. Sinhala is the language spoken in which country? Sri Lanka. The São Francisco River flow through which country? Brazil. In which sport do teams compete for the Dunhill Cup? Gulf. Which Shakespeare character's last word are the rest is silence? Hamlet. In economics, whose last state that bad money dry out of good money? Grisham's. Who made the first navigation of the globe in the vessel Victoria? Magellan. Which mountaineer, on being asked why he wanted to climb Everest, said because it is there? George Mallory. What was the former name of Sri Lanka? Ceylon. Of which Middle East country is Baghdad the capital? Iraq. How many arms does a squad have? 10. Which indoor game is played with the shuttlecock? Badminton. Do stalactites grow upward or downward? Downward. What food is called garbanzo? Chickpea. What is the quality rating of our diesel fuel? Similar to the octane number of our petrol. Catene number. Which German city and port in the confluence of river Neckar and Rhine? Mannheim. Where is in Europe are the only wild apes to be found? Gibraltar. The Barbanconi is the national anthem of which country? Belgium. In which country the river Space? Switzerland. Which international environmental pressure group was founded in 1971? Greenpeace. What is the capital of Morocco? Rabat. How many balls are on the table at the start of the game? Pool 16. In which country is the volcano Mount Aso? Japan. What name is given in inflammation of one or more joint causing pain, swelling and restriction of movement? Arthritis. Which mineral is the main source of mercury? Bar. What A in the national airline of Russia? Code name SU. Aeroflot. What would be kept in aqua arrows? What ology is concerned with the study of unidentified flying object? Ufology. Coal and long-tailed are type of which bird family? Tit. In game of dart, what is the value of outer bull? 25. In which part of the human body is cohelia? Ear. What is the modern name of rocky fortress which Moors name Gabel Atarak, a rock of Tariq? Gilbatar. What was the name of German terrorist Andres Babur female partner Ulrich Meinhof? And what was the name of urban guerrilla organization they headed? The Red Army faction, which German bacteriologist discovered salvarsan, a compound used in the treatment of spy hills before the introduction of antibiotic Paul Ehrlich, which ancient Roman satirist wrote the 16 stories Jovenal, who became the Queen of Netherlands 1980, Beatrix, who was the last British king to appear in battle, George II. What is the art of preparing stuffing and mounting the skin of animal to make lifelike model called taxidermy? What is the Beaufort scale used to measure wind speed? What is the technical name of abnormally high blood pressure? Hypertension. What part of eye is responsible for its color? The iris. The letter RF on a stem would indicate it is from which country? France. What is the meaning of musical term cantabile in a singing style? San John is the capital of which island in the West Indies? Puerto Rico. Which profession get its name from the Latin word for lead? Plumbing. On which part of the body by grasshopper have their ears, hand, legs? Who wrote children's stories about the land of Narayana? C.S. Lewis. What is the second planet from the sun? Venus. What is the highest mountain in the Alps? Mount Balnek. Of which Caribbean country is Port-au-Prince the capital? Haiti. Which German city is associated with the legend of the period Sippek? Hamelin or Hamelan? What names is given in the wind pattern that bring heavy rain in South Asia from April to September? Monsoon. What is the first book of the New Testament? The Gospel according to the Saint Matthew. What name is given to the time taken for the half the atom in sample of radioactive isotope to Daisy? Half-life. Who was president of Kenya from 1964 to 1978? Jomo Kenyatta. Which German author wrote the anti-war novel Alquete in the Eastern Front? Erich Maria Remarque. Which country had a police force called Tonton Moscotis? Haiti. गला खुश्क हो गया. What would you find in Formatory ants? Who was the first British sovereign to make regular use of Buckingham Palace when it residence in London? Queen Victoria. Where is Sofia, the capital? Bulgaria. What is meant by musical term andant at a moderate tempo? In a bullfight, what is the mounted man with a lance called a picador? Which team has a score team called Ajax Amsterdam? Which Dutch explorer discovered New Zealand? Abel Tasman. Who became first black world heavyweight boxing championship 1918? Jack Johnson. The name of which city in South American main whale of Paradise Valparaiso? Question number 281 है. Which gas used in advertising Sing has a symbol Ni neon? Which branch of mathematics use the symbol of represent unknown quantities? Algebra. What does the abbreviation RAF stand for? Royal Air Force. What name is given the use of live animal in the experiment? Vivisection. Livio is the largest island of which country? Fiji. The Golden Arrow was the famous train that ran from Paris to which destination? Monte Carlo. Which country fought on both sides during the World War II? Italy. What centigrade temperature is gas Marxist equal to? 200 degrees centigrade. In the game of chess, which piece is called Springer in Germany? Knight. Which is the meaning of Russian World Mir peace? Who in World War II were Axis power? Germany, Italy, Japan. Which scientist used kites to conduct electrical experiment? Benjamin Franklin. What is the longest river in France? Loire. Which inventor had a research laboratory at Menlo Park? Edison. Which birds fly in a group called skin geese? In medicine, which is the most widespread paradise infection? Malaria. What nationality was the explorer Ferdinand Magellan Portuguese? Which Italian city is called Firenze in Italian Florence? What is Australian largest city? Sydney. Which term meaning lightning war was used to describe military tactics used by Germany in World War II? Blitzkrieg. तो ये थे मेरे पास 300 इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो आपके पीपीएससी के एग्ज़ाम में आ सकते हैं। आप इनको अच्छे से तैयार कर लें। अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। थोड़ी सी प्रोनाउंसिएशन की मिस्टेक होंगी लेकिन आप इसको रीड करके कवर कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। अपना ख्याल रखिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।